client, a couple clients, na gusto mag-avail diri sa Villa Castana subdivision. Although, nagkuha na sila og other properties, other subdivision. Pero, ang problema sa husband is, layo magod siya. So, need pa siya magsakay o 2 rides or layo na dyan siya sa city proper. Mas layo dyan siya and even in national highway, layo siya. So, moto, ilang gibuhat is ni-back out sila and then they contacted me and akong gi-assist, ila ang gi-view ang subdivision, but then that time, wala dyan sila nakita na 2-story kay for them, much better na 2-story kay kung naana sila kids soon, so mas naa sila enough space. So, mauto nga nagulat jud mi nga naay available na 2-story. So, I contact with the staff to Ma'am Amy na please Ma'am Amy if naay vacant na 2-story, i-avail sa ako ang client, let me know para kami na dayon ang makasunod din. Mauto, happy kaya nga ako client kay pag-ingon ako nga, Ma'am sir, naanay available na kanang unit to reserve sa 2-story. Ikaw na to ni or what? Sige ma'am, anami dayon sa office. So, mo to nag-schedule me na reserve dayon ang client. So, I am happy for them na naano sila unit na na-avail. And of course, sila po thankful ako ang ako sila na-assist. And thank you so much, client.
Living in Villa Castana subdivision offers numerous advantages, including flood-free environment. Enjoy peace of mind knowing your home is safe from flooding. Scenic views. Wake up to breathtaking mountain and ocean vistas. Convenient location. Situated along a cemented road. The subdivision is just 5 minutes from the national highway.